Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So guys, this is how I mix my hair grease together. So the video is ready on my channel just in case you want to know more the details. So just go and check it out. I will also leave it at the description box below. So don't mind the noise here. So this is how I make it. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are also new here, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you. For my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you also. This is my grizzly powder, olive oil, hair mousse. So this is the hair grease that I will be using. This is my DIY grease butter. So all this video is already on my channel, so I'm just going to mix a little bit of that hair grease butter to my already mixed hair grease. So I'm going to add that butter to it and mix everything together. So if you want to see all this video, I will leave there at the description box below. Just go and check it out. I know you are going to love it. So now it's time for me to use this hair grease on my hair. So I've already washed my hair. I'm using this Cantu leave-in hair conditioner with it. So I will use this as a leave-in conditioner. So then before I will apply the grease to my hair. So this is how I will be using it on my hair. So if this is going to be a challenge, guy, I already have so many videos using MMS on my hair on my channel. So if you just want to see that, just go and watch it, or I will just leave it at the description box below, or just go and check my playlist. I will also leave the MMA hair growth playlist on my description box below. Just go and check it out. If you also want to participate in this MMA hair growth challenge for this month, just go and get your MMS, then come and join me for this. So guys, this MMA I'm using, I got it on Amazon. I don't know if I can get the link. I will just put the link at the description. If you want to try, if you want to use it, you can also go and get yours on Amazon. If I cannot find the link, just type MMA on Amazon and you are going to see a lot of MMA that will just pop up. Okay, so MMA is good for hair growth. It's a natural source that they got from animal or from human or from plants. So it's good to promote healthy hair growth. So it's good to promote healthy hair growth, and some people also use it mostly if they have joint pain and other kind of pills. So they use it to cure other kind of sickness. So I will not be taking this MMS. I will be just be putting it on any product that I want to use on my hair. So before you intake this MMA, you have to consult your doctor, because if you are not taking it the right way, it has also has the old side effect that is not going to be good on your body, um like some people that take it say that it make them to get fat, and make them to have headache and so many other discomfort, like abdomen pain and all that. So if you don't want to experience that and you want to take MMS, maybe to grow your hair or for your joint pain or swallow, just first of all consult your doctor before you will start taking it. Okay, so I'm not a doctor, so I'm just using it to grow my hair. That's all. I'm not in taking it, I'm just using it on my hair. Just put it on my product and every other thing that I want to use on my hair for my hair growth challenge for this January. So this is it, guys. I'll just continue to apply this to my hair, as you can see me doing right here. So if you mix this hair, you can mix this MMA with anything that you want to use on your hair for this hair growth challenge, just in case you want to join. Okay, so I'm using castor leave-in conditioner. You can use anything like leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, or cream, or anything that you want to use this MMS with. Okay, so I'll just apply the product, twist my hair, and then move to the next step. So that is how I use will be using it on my hair like every other product I will be using on my hair. I will add MMS to that product. Okay, so guys, do you use MMS on your hair? Have you tried it before? Like, if you have used it before and you notice hair grow and your hair grows so well, just leave your comments in the comment section box below, because I'm so curious to see my hair grow. Like, I can't wait for this challenge to over so that I can just did my line check again, because I already done my line check. So when I want to conclude this hair growth challenge, I'm going to put everything together and just do the line check and see how my hair grows. So if you use it and your hair grow, maybe you use it in, you take it, or you just apply it to your hair. Like, just leave your comment at the comment section below, and also share your experience, how you use it, if you have any side effect or anything, because I watched some video and they said if you did not take it right, you're going to experience some kind of side effect. Like, some people also take it with vitamin, orange juice, and water, and it makes them to drink a lot of water while taking it. Like, if you are taking it and you did not drink a lot of water, they said it's not good. So you're going to make it to drink a lot of water, and also you must take it with vitamin. Guys, this is a lot, so I just prefer to just put it on my hair like this, on my product, without taking it, because that is going to be a lot of work for me. I, I love to drink water, but not that something will be forcing me to drink water. I want to drink water when I want to drink water. So all those side effects is not just good, it's not for me, so I can't take that kind of risk of taking it for to make my hair grow. And just let me just do it. I just decided to do it this way. This is the best way for me to use. So if you don't want to also take it, do the intake, you can also do it this way. Just your hair will still grow, guys. So if you don't have any joint pain, any swelling, or anything that you really need to take this MMS to cure, so just do this and you will be fine also. So guys, this is all for this. You can also use it on so many other things. So many video will be coming, because this is going to be like full month challenge using MMS on my hair. So there will be a lot of video coming up that I will be using this MMA with. So if you want to see that, just subscribe, turn on your post notification. This is the water that I make, hairspray that I make with glycerin, MMS, and olive oil that I'm using on my hair on daily basis. So you can also make this and be spraying it on your hair on daily basis. Just all is challenge just to make your hair to grow and all that. So that is it, guys. So I'm just going to continue to apply the water, the hair grease, everything on my hair. Then I will just move on to the next step. So guys, I'm done twisting my hair. This is going to be a protective style for this week. So I will also continue using the grease, the MMA grease on my hair, and also the water on my hair also throughout this week. So if you like this video, you like it, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe, turn on your post notification if you are not yet a subscriber. Okay, so this is the remaining hair grease. I'm just going to put it on my hair. I'm rubbing the grease on my hair, my scalp, my edges, and every other part. Okay, so this is the remaining one. It's not much. Okay, so I'm just going to keep this, then I will use it during the week on my hair. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay safe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.